Yeah, I've got to blend it. I don't know. God bless. I sneezed. I'm going to make photo shoots, and I receive my payment through PayPal. Chase location that I would say in LA, Anaheim County. I could come to Singapore to do vlogging. I think that's a good idea too. And vlogging plus modeling, that would make a lot of very interesting videos. This one is to help me improve my blood deficiency, basically, that I'm experiencing. Excusez-moi. Consuming a lot of water, being dehydrated. I made some painting. I think this is really good corn. So now I know where I should do my vlogging. The perfect place to do my vlogging at this hour of the day. Like that. Sit here and talk to you. There is in Mongolia, Ulaanbaatar. Since the Dalai Lama visit, I think the whole world finds us quite cool nation, and I wonder people are still visiting in the name of, a cool nation. Maybe they find something interesting, they cope with it, to be part of it, and then bring it to their life, or they bring something with them and to give it to us as a intelligent life. Month of the year, which is November. Someone has to travel to my country and then they are here, but there are other people who doesn't. They have a job at work, they have got life, school, wife, husband, sisters and nephews, traveling, studying abroad. They've got things to do, like seeing animals, zoo animals, playing with, like, as much as I could be, scheduling, planning for myself. Where I would like to explore a different culture. Then people always like things that you don't have. I would like to explore from my point of view, and I would like to show you my review on it. And that could be anything. It could be white, red, white, and that could be food, cheese, cheddar cheese. I mean, pretty much people know, they have an idea, but they're also looking for like relativity towards life of human, to themselves, referring to themselves as well, to look for someone that shares the same interest with them, or just, let's say, keep it ASMR, keep it, pleasing at all times. Sitting in my kitchen today and talking to you, it's it's quite magical, isn't it? So I had to put some curtain behind to cover my kitchen. Access light, daylight. At the time as I was going to bed quite early, that my timing was changed, where I had to go to bed when the sunrise and then get up when the night fall. However, thank God I am back to my schedule. Taking it out from the box. So like that. It looks like Take to Tema. Isn't it on the TV? Like I've seen like some commercial. Yeah. So I have to take it, the box was opened when I buy it because it left only one box. Okay, two of these sections are in one box. It comes in. Let's say if let's say if this was a whole. So I'm going to show you how many pieces inside per package. So it's written in Cyrillic and it's Français company. Totema. Cyrillic is in how many pieces are there? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. If you ask. So I'm going to take it 5 more days. I think take 2 per day, and then I will be able to say walk, experiencing dizziness, that which is quite common for me since the surgery, and it's going to be cured. If you ask, I have lost a lot of blood. During the surgery, they had to unclog my brain. I mean, they had to unclog certain unclogging. For that unclogization, they had to drown my blood and then bring me back to life. That happened, and then I also donated blood as in egg form to the people of the United States of America, and then they have babies with each other together. In total number of 13 embryos. Congratulations to all may consider. If you have a boy, congratulations. If you have a good daughter, girl, congratulations.
Обнаженной ступней глажу лютики, сорву